Hi, bye. Welcome to the show.
Where are we?
We're in the market.
You're in Auntie Bean's market.
Yeah.
This is your auntie's farmer's market, your auntie and uncle. Right? And we're working here today, right?
Yeah.
Is the market open yet?
No.
No, so we gotta set it up. Are you gonna help?
Yeah.
Look what Uncle Pepper's doing.
Uncle Pepper's putting out strawberries. I think maybe we're gonna help put out these peas.
Yeah.
Yeah, ready?
I'm gonna put these in the court.
You gotta fill the baskets. That full?
Can you reach this? Can you reach in there? Like this, nice and full.
Turn to the apple.
Yeah. So you gotta put quite a few more in there. Zozo, you helping?
So you gotta fill your basket?
Look at my basket.
Good job. Keep it. Look, now we gotta put some. You want some help?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta put some in.
Good job. Keep
top
going.
here, so-
Before the customer.
But they're for the customers, that's right.
Is it yummy stuff in the market?
Just the storage area.
Look at the lettuce.
I'm fast.
Zoe, are you helping?
Happy.
You're
Are you helping?
That's good.
Got a big box down there. And he's over here and he's weighing out all the cherries. He puts only the good ones. And then he weighs it so that they're all the same amount in the baskets.
That's a scale, Alexi.
Scale, he's weighing them so it's the same weight amount.
1 pound.
1 pound. You're 33 pounds. So if you had 33 baskets, that's how much you would weigh.
It's jam.
Jam, strawberry jam. Then let's look over here. What else do they sell?
That's our jam also.
Yeah. Maple syrup, yeah. What else?
Syrup, you said?
Yeah.
And what's that?
And honey. Honey.
Yep.
And what's here?
That's local peanut butter.
Yeah. This is local peanut butter.
Yeah, it's made not far from here.
What's up there?
Those are ciders.
Yeti.
They have lettuce. They have different kinds of lettuce today.
And they have some paper.
Yeah, paper tells us how much is on it. So the frisee lettuce, this one, you see how it's all curly at the end? Frisee, like curled. That's $2. And then these are Boston lettuce. And that's $2 too. Boston lettuce, $2. Cherries, sweet local cherries.
Yeah.
How much are we selling the peas for?
They are $4.
$4.
Potato.
Potatoes, little baskets and big baskets.
How much is a little basket?
The little basket.
$3. Cucumber.
Cucumber.
How much is it? $1.
$1, that's right.
Strawberry.
And how much are the strawberries?
$5.
$5. That's what they have today. They also sell some cheese and kombucha.
You gonna put the flag down?
Yeah, let's swing it around. I think to our
What do those flags say, Alexi? Look at the letters on them.
Open.
They say open.
don't think we got it in the middle, but that's all right.
Yeah. Then can you give her a loonie back? Need $1 back.
Can't learn that on the phone, can you?
Thank you.
Is that the way?
One more here.
One thing of cherries, okay.
Let's get 2
We
strawberries.
get 2 strawberries. I'm gonna pick these ones here, okay? Lex, okay, this one. You see that? No, Lex is gonna carry it. I want to see. One for Alexi, one for Zoe. Carry it to the counter.
You might have to help Zoe lift it up.
I'll get them.
Are we gonna get a honey?
Yeah, you got a honey? The regular one?
Yeah.
Auntie Bean, can we please buy the donut?
Sure, of course you can.
Can we please buy this cheese?
What kind of lip balm do you want,
I
Lexi?
had cheese.
There's mint, cherry.
I like the cherry.
There's pina colada. There's cherry.
I like cherry.
Okay, you want cherry? Zoe, what kind do you want? Do you want mint? Do you want coconut? Do you want...
Can we buy these?
Yeah. Mommy said you could buy one.
I'm being a buy.
You want a nut bar? You want that one? Right, let's get that one. Okay, Lexi, you gonna go punch it all in with Amy? We got 2.
One time. If you got 2, do you need to press it again?
We got 2.
Okay, press it one more time then. Yep. Well, and you have a kombucha.
This kombucha.
What's kombucha? Kombucha with an O. Good job. And then Zoe, we need the cheese.
We need the cheese.
See, the cheese has a price on it. It's by weight, so we have to go in here. We gotta see where the cheese is, and then we're gonna click the cheese. Like, can you type the number in? 6? Nope.
That's a 9. The number is 6, Lexi.
Good job. 4. Where's 4? And 7.
I'll show you a trick, Alexi. It goes in order like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7.
There you go. Now hit the plus button.
Total
Is
is
74.
74.
37.
37.
Yeah. And how do you want to pay?
How do you want to pay?
Can I pay with credit card?
Yeah.
What do I do?
Tap.
Is it tap and pay?
Say, would you like a receipt?
Would you like to receive?
No, I'm good today.
And press this one, say, okay. Done. Then you gotta pack their bag up.
Then you just have to add your fire in my kit.
Say bye.
Bye.
If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Yeah.
Bye!